Understanding, appraise the quality. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, focusing on the phrase, appraise the quality. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but a valuable tool in both academic and everyday English. Understanding it fully can enhance your communication skills significantly. Let's get started and unravel the mystery behind these words. Appraise the quality involves two key components: appraise and quality. To appraise means to assess, evaluate, or judge the worth, significance, or status of something. It's about giving an opinion or making a judgment regarding the value of something. On the other hand, quality refers to the standard of something as measured against other things of a similar kind, the degree of excellence of something. This phrase is often used in contexts where a detailed evaluation or judgment is necessary. This could be in business, for analyzing the quality of products, in academia, for assessing the quality of research or work, or even in everyday situations, like deciding which product to buy based on its quality. To appraise the quality effectively, you should 1. Gather detailed information about what you're evaluating. 2. Compare it against a set standard or criteria. 3. Consider various aspects or characteristics that contribute to its overall quality. 4. Make an informed judgment or evaluation about its worth or excellence. Before purchasing the car, I needed to appraise the quality of its interior and engine performance. The teacher asked the students to appraise the quality of the different articles for their research project. In our meeting, we will appraise the quality of the current marketing strategies and discuss possible improvements. Understanding and using the phrase, appraise the quality, can significantly enhance your ability to evaluate and discuss the worth or excellence of various subjects. Whether you're assessing a product, a piece of work, or a strategy, knowing how to appraise quality effectively is a skill that can add depth to your evaluations and discussions. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and you'll find your evaluations becoming more nuanced and informed.